Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're doing another tutorial so you can make something like this beautiful. Go to computer.com, click on New Project, just do one 1280 by 720 and then just click Create. And you can have this. What you want to do is you want to right click on background, blending options. You want to gradient you want to go to gradient overlay. This is only PC and Mac usable. Then you want to click on the gradient box, go to the gradient editor. And choose like I'm going to choose a greyish, then the same grey, and then I'm going to go put this middle one on 50, and choose like a reddish colour like that. I'm going to change the angle by where it says angle over here. I'm going to change the angle to be like that, and click OK. And you want to add some text, so you want to click, and you want to add, so I'm just going to put your, and I'm going to resize it. Like that. Actually, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Just like that. Then I'm going to have a colour overlay, white, add a setting, make it 14%, and add a drop shadow. Then you want to duplicate this layer, add it down here. Then you want to add a gradient overlay instead of the colour overlay. You want to change it to be a bluish, a darkish, lightish blue. Delete this middle one, choose this one, and just bring it down like this. Make sure you delete this black one. Now, so just bring this up a bit, just like that. Let's change this text to say whatever you want. I'm just going to put text like so. Then I'm going to space it out just tiny bit, just like that. Is that too wide? Yeah, should be good. And that is how you make your text, and then you can put your logo in, like so. I will have to blur that, but then you can put a logo in. I'm going to put in this. You are free to use this if you want. Then what I would do is over here, it says opacity. On the right, you want to change the opacity down a little bit, just so it's like faded, like that. Then you want to add a drop shadow. And if you want, you can add a stroke, but I'm not going to. And there you have your thing. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. This was a short tutorial, but if you did like it, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also click the like button for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video. Goodbye! Run away.